you sad, Hudson? Are you sad? Oh, are you sad?
Yeah.
Why are you sad? Because you're bored?
Yeah! Toy.
You want a big toy or a small toy?
I want This is a snake. The monster. I don't know what that is.
You don't know what that is? It's some kind of a snake. I don't know.
Snake monster truck?
No, I don't know what that is.
How about this one? Look at this Scorpion Sting Raceway. Whoa, this looks cool. Look at that.
Now, this is open, but I don't know what it is.
You want to open it, but you don't know what that is? Okay, are you excited? Cage Rattler. That's a complicated name.
No.
Which one do you want to open first? Alright, let's do help opening it. Actually, before you do, can I take a look at it? Closer look? Whoa, this is so cool.
Now, red. Wow, look at this.
Cage Rattler. That's his name.
That's so cool.
Let's see his tongue.
Whoa, look at this one. Look at the tongue. So now you have two big ones. What's the other one? Oh, look.
Whoa.
It's like two brothers.
Whoa.
Oh. Are you ready to open your second toy?
Yeah.
Or should we not? Let's not open it. Let's not open it. Okay, let's open it. You got it.
No.
Scorpion Sting Raceway.
Are you ready? We're gonna dump the pieces out. You ready?
Wow.
Wow, look at this. I can
Such a mess. Such a mess.
I'm gonna get the car. Come on.
Oh yeah, let's get the car. Wow, look at all these pieces, Hudson. So, I put the batteries in here already so we can move on with this. The next step, we're gonna put all the cool stickers on, yeah?
Alright, are we done with all the stickers, Hudson? Okay, we did all the stickers.
Look at these cool monster truck and car.
Yeah, these are the cars that came with the set, right? Night Shifter.
And this is a nice one.
You like this?
Yeah,
Alright, let's put
Alright,
this
let's start
together.
building. Alright, let's go. See, he splits the road. Hudson. He goes like this, like this. Okay, zone 2. So this is zone 1. Zone 1 is done. You can play with that while I build zone 2. Look. He goes like that. Whoa, he's not stopping it. Yeah, there we go. Got him on there. He is so cool looking. Wow, look at that guy. Wow.
Hudson, do you like your new toy?
Connect. We're gonna connect all the different zones. Whoa. Boom. Ready to go.
You ready to play? ready to try it out? Let's see.
Yeah, let's do it.
Put it on, Hudson.
Woo! All right. So,
Play with this story.
okay, Hudson, first we're gonna send the car around the loop, and it's gonna go and hit the Scorpion. And when the Scorpion is defeated, we're gonna send the monster truck to land in that basket. Okay? You ready?
You
All
ready?
right, let's go. We're ready to defeat the Scorpion? Now, whoa! Whoa! One more time. Alright, let's start putting monster trucks in cars. Okay, you start putting cars.
More. Woo! Alright, let's try Hot Wheels now.
Come here, buddy. Don't sit. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Ready?
I'm gonna turn it.
There's more cars.
Hudson, do you like your new toys?